Hello! So, andito na ako sa museum inside and oh my god. That is traditional
These waters
Ah,
are filled with the finest
Arabic
fish,
style.
sea bream, tuna, and hammoud.
Madilim lang sa
Our
loob.
forefathers made their nets and fish traps from woven palm leaves. Their boats were made of palm sticks bound together with rope.
Parang
Sudden
ano dito.
storms and high
Ano na
winds
pag
meant
horror?
that fishing was dangerous but
Nakakatakot.
rewarding.
So, they have traditional fishing.
Was hung up to dry or preserved
Yung
for
mga
sale. Some of it we ate, and some we exchanged
Saksak.
with traders
Nakakatakot.
for other things
Andito ako
like
sa
tea
boat,
and rice.
no? Ayan.
Most of
Nakabot
our
ako.
homes were arish, made of date palm sticks and mats, although some were built with materials from the seashore, coral stone and lime cement. The walls reflected the heat of the sun. Inside, the rooms stayed cooler in the midday heat.
Yan pala pag mga Arabic, pag nasa island. The same in our country, no? Parang horror. Nakakatakot, no? Ito pag nasa cave na.
Camels hold a special place in our hearts. We honor these royal
Ang mga
royalties, which
Asian
can endure
traditional
the
natin.
blazing desert heat for days
That
without
this is the museum
their
Khalifa part.
Their tongue is used as food. Their hair to eat things from the
See, it's amazing. See, hindi mo ito nasakyan kasi gabi ito in-open 7 p.m. hanggang 1 a.m.
perfectly adapted to life in the desert.
Para ako sumakay ng zipline na
These
napakabagal.
camels have been loaded with dates, dry fish, household goods, and food. They used to cover huge distances to reach the oases inland at Liwa and Daman, along routes
At
that
saka ang entrance dito, only 5 dirham. Tapos yung train nila, only 3 dirham. Tapos meron silang mga, what you call that?
and the inland oases
Mga,
bringing much needed
mga horses, yan, 16 dirham, like that.
families every day.
So, ma-enjoy nyo
The
naman.
oases to escape the worst of the summer humidity. This is what makes camels happy. In the
Scorpio,
desert, they can smell
snake.
water from many miles. This oasis is fed by cool underground
Ano
springs
na eh?
and a network of barrages, man-made channels which bring water from the mountains. Here, we produce dates, cereals, vegetables, fruit and food.
All animal, no? May kiana pa, oh. May
At
old.
night, the birds
Ox.
settle in the sacred
Tsaka
trees,
usa.
and you have to keep
Ayun,
a watchful eye for the
Diana.
snakes and scorpions.
The dangerous.
The camel-raising babies were nomadic during the months of good
Meron
rain
din na
and
ibon.
would settle around oasis wells in the summer. Many would
Nakakatakot.
live in traditional desert tents
This is
made of
traditional
wood.
Arabic style. Our Asian.
These were furnished with huts and divided into separate quarters for men and women. Here, in the food preparation area, women with cauldrons and bread-making pans to make the family meal.
Ang galing ng ano, no? Parang totoong tao talaga.
The men would meet in the evening to talk and drink coffee.
Grabe. Dito pag cave. So,
Our
nakakatakot.
ancestors began to settle here more than 5,000 years ago. And they made the
5,000
most
years
of
ago?
it. Copper mining was one of the earliest industries here. Miners hammered away at rocks with handmade tools to uncover seams of copper
Ang
ore.
galing ng ano.
Sometimes they would use fire to crack the rock face. It
Mga
was a
volcano, no?
dangerous place to
Tapos marunong na yung mga tao ngayon sa traditional natin.
Once mined, the copper ore was heated to separate the copper from the ore, a process known as smelting. Molten liquid copper
Then,
was poured into molds to make
Millennium
tools,
Day.
weapons, and
Time.
jewelry. Once the casts had cooled, they were hammered into shape.
Then everybody are studying geography. See, look, the Arabic studying na.
Settle down, please, children. Turn to page 17. Can anybody tell me what they see here?
So that's it.
Ahmed?
The man who
So
died
enjoy
before.
our
My great grandfather would carry
great
He could hold his breath
family.
for ages.